Hey everyone, I wanted to share something personal with you today. When I was kid, I had the most beautiful hair. It was naturally straight and everyone loved it. People always asked me if I had straightened my hair, but nope, it was all natural. But recently I've been facing a few hair problems. I've noticed some hair loss at the front of my head. My hair used to be thick, but over time it's changed. I think all the shampoo I've used has altered its natural color to brownish, and I've been dealing with a lot of hair fall. So, after much thought, I decided it was time for a change. I was getting really frustrated with the length and thickness of my hair. It just wasn't the same anymore. That's why I finally decided to get a haircut. Bye bye bye. Bye, miss you. मैं अच्छे से आना. And I did it. I asked my aunt to cut my hair because why not? It's free and she's great at it. Plus, it's more comfortable at home. So she did it. I even recorded the whole thing. My cousin was also recording me and showing my hair to me, asking if I wanted to cut more or stop. It was such a fun and friendly atmosphere at home. Everyone was supportive and laughing because I've never had such short hair before. I wanted a bob cut, almost like a boy cut, so I went for it. I cut my hair up to my shoulders and now I look different. My cousin is laughing and saying, "You look different, you have changed."
Haircutting.
They were all so supportive. They even helped me to clean up the hair on the floor using a broom and a dustpan. It was such a team effort and I loved the whole experience.
Naka.
And you know what's funny? I kind of look like Shraddha Kapoor now. I recently saw her new haircut and mine turned out quite similar to hers. It feels great to have a fresh new look. But I also want to try Niana's haircut. I might make it even shorter or try something new when my sister gets her haircut. After my haircut, I was constantly checking myself out in the mirror, seeing how different I looked. It was so fun because I did something different and I loved it. But now I need to take care of my hair and have a healthy diet. I know that if I take care of my gut, all my hair problems will vanish and I will get my dream of healthy hair. So I'm going to eat food that's good for hair growth and do some yoga. One funny thing happened when I got home after the haircut. About an hour later, my brother Omkar finally noticed my hair and asked, "Did you get a haircut?" It was so hilarious because everyone else had noticed, my dad, mom, aunt, cousin, but he didn't. I was like, thank goodness he didn't ask me tomorrow. Now I agree with one of the reels that boys don't notice such things. Later that night, my grandma teased me because I often try a lot of remedies from YouTube, but most of the efficient way is to oil my hair regularly, which I don't do. So she made fun of me and I got trolled by her. It was all in good fun. I got different reactions from people, like some liked it and some didn't, but I loved it. And that's what's important to me. I'm happy I tried something new. I love me.
अद्भुत नाही तू फक्त भूत आहेस. हे जोक्स ना बस व्हिडिओ टाकलेस तर खचाक 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 कर दूंगी. कट करणे तर मम्मी कट
हो करते तिलाच सांगते.
फक्त मी असं म्हणजे व्हिडिओ करते की पहिले माझे केस असे होते, केस गेलेत, मला टकलू झाली आहे मी, आणि नंतर मग जेव्हा मी वाढवणार केस त्या परत करणार एडिट एडिट नीचे पण केस शॅम्पू केले जाड कट करने तो फिर अभी एक बाल काटने का सीजन है. आणि हे बघा ना किती पातळ झाले, इथे केसच नाही है बघा. मैं बाल काटेंगा और छोटा करेगा और उसके बाद भी बड़ा करेगा. कुछ फालतू फालतू लगा के दही दही चांगलं असतं. नॅचरल इन्ग्रेडियंट्स वापरले. मम्मी पण आज लावणार होती दही, काला आणि थोडे मला थोडे म्हणजे भरपूरच स्प्लिट एंड्स आहेत, त्यामुळे बाल काटणं तो बंद आहे.
सुंदर वाटते. दीदी के तोपर्यंत केस